Hi, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So in this session, we are going to discuss how to configure a web server using of the Google VM instance. You can configure the web server on your laptop, desktop, and if you have a physical data center, right? But now mostly industry using of the cloud, that means they have a live server. So again, I am going to configure a web server using of the VM instance. So let's get started. So friends, you can see currently I have a one VM which name is web server 1, and this VM is running in Delhi region inside the AP South 2 availability zone, and this is the private IP address and this is the external IP address, right? And this is the Linux base. So first of all, what to do, my dear friend, let me connect of this virtual machine. I am going to connect with this virtual machine in the browser. Yes, please connect. Please wait. SSH key is going to transfer to the VM. Operating system is going to log in. Yeah, perfect. So yeah. So let me do the clear of the screen and let me log in from my root account. So first of all, cat @c os -release. So this is the Ubuntu base distribution, right? So Ubuntu base instance. So first of all, let me update -get, sorry, operating system is going to update, because my dear friend, when you are going to configure a web server in the production environment, always you have to update of your operating system, because these images are old. So first of all, you have to download all the dependencies and libraries. Perfect. Again, we have to install the apt-get, because apt is the package manager. That means Apache 2, because Apache 2 is the name of the package in Debian. And just a second, install typo error. Yes, package is going to install. Perfect. Please wait. Perfect. So let me configure a website. cd var www html. This is the default document root of the Apache server. So echo this is my web server running in the Google Cloud. Right. Output should be available in this file index.html. Right. File is available. You can view the content index.html. Okay. Very good. Friends, let me start service Apache 2. Very good. So now what to do? Let me click on the external IP. My website is reachable, correct? My website is running. So you can share this IP with anyone who want to access of your website like this. But my dear friend, when I am going to shut down of this machine, this IP will be changed. So you can fix this IP with your instance. How to do? You have to reserve this IP with your instance, and you can attach this IP with your instance. So when your instance is going to shut down, the IP will not be changed, right? So if you want to fix this IP, right, then you have to search a resource, that is external IP, because external IP is a resource, is a separate resource, right? So click over here. Perfect. And my dear friend, currently we have a ephemeral IP, right? That means when my machine is going to shut down, it will be changed. Ephemeral, that means temporary, correct? And now you can see, correct? So click over here, reserve static address. You can assign the name like web IP, right? So basically there are two types of static IP. One is premium. By default it will give you the premium. Another is standard, right? So premium, that means the premium IP will be available in regional and global also, but you are going to standard, that it will be available only regional base. And now you will get only IP version 4, right? And in which region you are going to take, because if I'm going to select the standard one, because my machine is running in Delhi region, this one, okay, and you can connect with this, correct? And now reserve this IP, and now you can see, first of all, it will create a IP which name is web IP, and now you can see the status of this IP, that is static, right? Please wait. Very good. Wow. So right now this is the 236, and what to do? I hope it's connected with my, so one more time, let me jump on my, yeah, it's connected with my server VM instance. Click on my home dashboard. Perfect. Compute engine, VM instance. Now, yes, this is the new IP, and now you can shut down of your machine. IP will not be changed. Please wait, your server is going to stop. Now my instance is successfully stopped. You can see the status, and still IP is available, and now you can see connection is re-highlighted. So when I want to start off this instance, so I will have a same IP address, and this IP address will not be changed. Machine is going to start. Okay, let me hit off this IP. Yes, my website is running. So like this, you can configure the web server using of the VM instance, and as well you can also reserve the IP address for your virtual machine. And my dear friend, you can attach with your IP static IP address with another resource. It's your choice. So it's the idea behind of this. So thank you so much.